Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix crypto assets not showing up on Metamask. So when you just send some USDT or Bitcoin over from your Binance to your Metamask wallet, but it's just not showing up over on your Metamask wallet, then here's what you need to do. So for some reason, sometimes Metamask just doesn't detect your tokens. And this could also include really big coins such as Ethereum and USDT. So we can literally see right now that it is actually detecting my Ethereum, but I also just sent a little bit of USDT and it's just not showing on my wallet. So what I then need to do is click on don't see a token, and then you want to click on import tokens. And literally all you need to do right here is search for tokens. So for example, I just sent it some USDT. All you need to do is type in USDT, and then you can simply click on the first one just like this. And then you want to scroll a little bit down and you want to make sure to click on import just like this. And we can now see that USDT is added to my Metamask, and when I now send some USDT to my Metamask, it will immediately pop up and will also give me the amount it is. So that's how you can fix Metamask not showing crypto assets. If you learned something from this video, I'll highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.